Hello, this is Gail Davis from Horizon Hill Crafts. I finished a new junk journal. This was a garden journal. Has some ribbon on the binding, covering the binding. A couple of metal tags. One is a lizard and the other is an old metal key. And on the front, it's a handmade strip of fabric, layered with all kinds of embellishments and sequins. Very pretty. There's page corners, top and bottom. The cover is made with a double layer of ivory linen cardstock, 100-pound cardstock. And inside, we have a corner pocket with some tags, copy dyed paper. We have a large journal card. We have a little tuck at the top here and a little mini notepad made with paper scraps. And that large journal card goes in this tuck spot here. An old book page. Some botanical prints. This is a hidden pocket, envelope pocket, and inside has this paper that folds out and tucks up inside the envelope pocket. Oop, I have to fix that piece of lace right there. Came unglued. White piece of paper, old thin paper, some journal cards that fit inside this little paper bag, some vintage lined school book paper, another botanical page, a pocket with a couple of tags, we have a side tuck with a large tag. We have another pocket, 2022. This is an old book page that I printed on some newspaper paper. It makes it look very, very old. It came out really good. Tucked in there. And we have a floral journal card. A flip out journal page. This is another envelope tuck spot, and it has a coin envelope to go in it. Tucked right in there. This is the other side. It's bound into the journal. This is the other side of the envelope pocket. And this is another one of those little mini journaling spots. It folds up, tucks inside the envelope pocket. Alright, I'll get it in there later. We have a decorated belly band. There's all kinds of sparklies on it. And I made 10 recipe cards, floral recipe cards that put your favorite recipes in there, some items from your garden that you've made and baked. We have a middle tuck spot with a couple of journaling cards. This is really cool. Thought I'd try something different. This is a magnetic closure. Opens up. There's a butterfly at the top. It opens up, folds down, has a pocket inside with 3 journal cards in it. has a beautiful botanical print. Close it up, and on the side is, you could tuck something in there if you wanted to. It's just where it folds up. This is a corner tuck with an old vintage button, a postcard for journaling, a little about this journal blurb, and another one of those papers, those old book pages that I printed on newspaper paper. Okay. Another piece of that vintage lined paper. The other side of the paper bag, a couple of journaling cards. More journaling spots. This is a little envelope that I made, and it has a Velcro closure, and you open it, and right on the entire inside of it. And here, you can tuck it up inside. This is another one of those hidden envelope pockets. Goes up inside there. This is 4 little mini envelopes that I made. As you can see, they all open up. Inside each envelope is a little strip of paper that's all folded up and tucks inside the envelope. And all the little flaps, all the envelope flaps do close. Can't get my fingers to work. There we go. They all close up. The other side of the old book page, a postcard. This is another side pocket. You can put all kinds of things in it. This is an altered paper clip. And we have this large journal card, blank on the other side, goes inside here. Come on. There we go. A journal card. On this back page, I made some little mini pockets that have little teeny journal cards in it. So there's several different types. Kind of made this one recipe related. So if you wanted to write something on your recipe cards about this, you could. And then the back page. See, it's a little chunky, not too bad. Had fun making this one, and I thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it.